Hello. The delay is just um if I can make sure that I can. Yeah, I can see already the but I think there's a problem now with the mic with the song. I think the filters. Right. F it. We're not gonna have any noise gate, no suppression. F it, because right now it's just suppressing my voice so much that I cannot even hear myself. This sucks. Okay, so hopefully it works now. Yeah, okay, now we work. Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you, Luis. Thank you. Yeah, it's bad. I got rid of it. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm just gonna focus on YouTube because the thing is that uh I want to do multi-stream, but I don't think the Mac likes it, man. Like I think I need a PC for that. Not gonna lie. Like I use what is this thing called uh Streamlabs. And I just think Streamlabs doesn't like Macs, man, because I keep on having issues for whatever reason. Like my X doesn't work. Like my what is this called? My microphone doesn't work. Like I'm over it at this point. So I'm using my Mac mic, which it doesn't have my crispy voice, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is, right? There's nothing I can do about that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna focus only on YouTube, and just for now, you're gonna keep on seeing the video of tanks basically. Um, yeah, for whatever reason, I don't know why it doesn't want to work. So yeah, I'll fix it though. I'll fix it. And I think the only way to fix this is by getting a PC. So for now, I think I'm just gonna do YouTube, and then we'll roll with that. So yeah. Anyways, good morning. Just another day in paradise. We focus on problems. So first problem that I had today, live streaming. Well, I mean, right before the stream, I had live streaming problems. Mac didn't want to work. The multi doesn't work. At this point, I just give up and I'm just gonna do YouTube like I mentioned. So it is what it is. Other than that, any other problems? So I'll say time. Time is starting to get really into me because before, I guess I was younger and I could just spend all day sitting down, but now my body doesn't like it. So I'm walking every day now, and I plan to keep on doing it because it's good for the body. But I am really looking so that when I have some income rolling again, I want to invest on a VR headset for Apple. The what is this? The Apple Vision Pro, because I really like that they have so many screens, and I really just want to type in the air because I want to stand up and I wanna code while I stand up instead of sitting down. I think it might be better, to be honest. And I have multiple screens. I can visualize things better. So I think that's my goal right now, is to have uh, Apple Vision Pro that goes along with my Mac, so I can code faster. Other than that, um, basic problems with coding as usual, just kind of testing it and see what goes wrong. The contracts have had like a little bit of an issue, but it was a logical issue. So I was basically done yesterday, but I decided to work on it a little bit more, and the logic has changed drastically to the point where I'm almost using no gas whatsoever. It's super convenient for me. And aside from that, I'm now working with a better identification system, something that I had issues with before, so now I don't. We have now a good way to vet out, potential bad actors, which is really good. Um, and I had another issue, which was how to bring everything together. And again, it was logic errors. Like I was thinking very naively, like how everyone's using blockchain, and I realized, hey, there's a way to do this without using the standard, like legacy procedures that everybody decides to use, because we have to think about the fact that this is like an identity that lives in the blockchain, basically. So once you get away from the fact that you're saying, oh, this user will use this chain, oh, this user will use this chain, and you instead concentrate on I think of it like as an identity, then it becomes interesting, because you're looking at an identity that can work with entities itself. So for example, let's say you go to a bank, you are performing a certain action when you go to a bank, and then you want to go to the post office, you perform a certain action at the post office. So you become the individual that works along with the entities, and the same thing happens with ICP, where you have the individual ICP working with entities, which can be different blockchains, different dApps. There's so many things that it can happen. So as soon as I realized this and stopped thinking it as an, oh yeah, we're just gonna use a blockchain and that's it, like things just kind of opened up in a different way, and maybe for some of you, or maybe for you guys, it has been looking like that, but for me it wasn't. From a developer perspective, I was just thinking, oh, this chain does this chain does that, oh, I have to make sure that I do this with this chain. But then it kind of opened my mind a little bit more into what I can do, and I have more ideas on that too. So it's been fun. Aside from that, I have been on in talks. So now we talk to the present, I guess. So I'm still working on the cross chain, and forcing pacts, making sure that we have nice alliances for the economic system that I'm making, and everybody likes the ideas that I have thus far. So I will mention those alliances as soon as we have something more concrete, because you already know. Like last time, I announced that I was working with these chains, but nothing tangible yet, right? Like I'm still waiting on them. So I don't want to say something and then be like, oh yeah, never mind that. So yeah, I'm working on the cross chain swap still, with Nina system, and it's working fantastic. I have really good news for you also, as well, on that front, regarding funding. If you're looking for money, you're ready. You might benefit from this. So yeah, I just it just the problem is that it takes time, right? And my timetable is gonna change now, because remember before I said, oh yeah, I'm gonna focus on government and loaning and all of this. It will change, because yesterday I had a very serious, important talk with another prospect alliance, and they look very happy about what we're doing. So hopefully, if everything goes well this Monday, then we're set, and that means that my timetable will change, because I was hoping that I would just focus everything so that I could finish by, what is this, September 28th, but it's looking like it might be shift by 2 weeks, unless I keep on making progress and having no issues whatsoever, which has been happening since the day before yesterday. Basically, I've had no issues. I have no issues whatsoever. So if I keep on continuing like this, then maybe, yeah, I can do everything by the 28th. But at least for sure, I do want to make sure I have the tokens by the 28th, because I think it's gonna be very, very important. And also reward system. I know we talked about how we're gonna do the reward. I'm pretty sure I can work on that too, so people can start earning rewards. But we're gonna need support from the AI, or I'm gonna have to make a dApp on ICP, so people can start collecting rewards. And then, again, that's money, right? Because rewards become tokens, tokens become money. So I think we can do that while we wait all the way until September 28th, or I'm sorry, September 30th. My bad, September 30th. So I'm working on that. So I hope that it is fruitful and we finally finalize one of the packs on Monday. If that's the case, then we're looking to be again shift by 2 weeks. And it's a very good alliance, because actually the good thing about this is that if this alliance goes through on Monday, we're gonna have a technology that nobody else has had, and we're gonna be a breakthrough. And trust me when I tell you it's gonna be a breakthrough, because nobody has done it. Okay, nobody. So if Monday goes successful and we're a-okay, it's gonna be fantastic and it's gonna be amazing. Stellar Gate is going to be super cool. And another thing is that we are going to be able to advance on the game. So I know some people wanted the mini game to start rolling. So this might be it. So everything falls on Monday. All right. Let's hope everything goes okay, that we're good to go. And we are going to have some mini game demos finally rolling out very soon. So yeah, that has been the big major news. What I'm working on. You know, it's been hard. Not gonna lie, all this time, but I know and I have faith in the project and what we're building. I already know it's really great. So I just can't wait for more. Other than that, now if we talk about the future, like I said, very near future, Monday, to make sure that everything's fine. And then long-term future, looking to finish everything by the 30th if possible, if not shifted by 2 more weeks. But migration has to happen by the 30th, all right? Which means everybody needs to make sure to submit the data about the tokens. Okay, make sure you go to SOC. Make sure that you interact with the contracts on SOC on the Binance Smart Chain. Nina is reminding everyone every single day. I made her to do that. Okay, so make sure you claim those tokens, because if you don't, I will not be able to send you on ICP. Okay, so if you have any RAT token, any CIT token, go to our website soc.stellargate.io and make sure you select the Binance Smart Chain log in and go to the bridge section, go to RA migration if you have RA, and go to CIT migration if you have CIT. Please don't forget, you have 2 months. Every single day Nina's gonna remind you, do it as soon as possible so you get rid of that, you don't forget about it, and we're all happy. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's a really nice update. I'm very happy with what's happening, and I just can't wait for Monday, to be honest. Monday is gonna be very cool. We also have other stuff happening in the background, but that takes more time, and once I get closer to it, I will definitely let everybody know. All right, so anyways, thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. And I'm just gonna stream on YouTube for now. No more Twitch and no more X, because X is not working, and Twitch, I don't think it's working as well either. So I'm just gonna focus extremely on YouTube only. All right, take care, guys. Bye bye. Peace out.